Before beginning this video, I want to introduce a website which is called Vexels. Web URL is www.vexels.com, where you get high quality vectors, PSDs, SVGs, PNGs, online editor and much more. And in this t-shirt design section, I use a Wolf graphics from this website. Now in the search box, I just simply type Wolf. And from the search result, this time I use this Wolf graphic. I just click on this and hit on download. Look, our Wolf graphics is just start downloading and downloading is already complete. But I have to mention one thing. If you want to use this graphic in commercial purpose, then it requires attribution. Otherwise, you have to purchase license for every graphic. They have different subscription plans. Choose any of your preferred one. Alright? So our downloading is now complete. Now I just open it up and extract this zip file. Now I just open this wolf.eps file. Now I just right click on it and open with Photoshop. Alright. And there it is. Now I just from the left side I just select this polygonal lasso tool and select the second wolf. Alright, now I just copy it by simply pressing Ctrl C and then navigate to our main document. Now I create a new layer and paste it right here. Alright, now I press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just simply make this bigger and set it here. Alright, and finally I just simply hit on done. In our next lecture, we will add different text and add shapes to finishing this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching.